Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. I'll start with LME 3-month copper. A bearish dark cloud cover pattern yesterday, yet I am a bit nonplussed by this pattern, as I think it is a symptom of a large action going on that is indeed mildly bullish. You see, it was a reversion back to the support, but perhaps, well, not the support, but perhaps the core of the recent move higher these past 2 weeks. It was a move back to the April 2020 to date optimized uptrend, currently at 96.63. This uptrend has seemingly been acting as an attractor to the market for now, for nearly 3 weeks. I suppose in truth you could even call it an excessive move higher to the possible powerful bullish belt hold pattern created at the start of last week. Now, I was wondering yesterday if prices would move up and away from the uptrend tractor as topside. Well, we haven't that much resistance until we reach the congestion of highs from 2011 between 99.07 to 99.95. Well, it seems that such a move higher may be postponed for now. Meanwhile below, well, the February high at 96.17 along with some nearby Fibonacci levels held up the market yesterday. But please be aware that not that far below and getting closer each day are massed supports of the moving averages, currently between 94.17 and 95.06. Looking topside, well, we haven't that much resistance until we reach the congestion of those highs from 2011 between 99.07 and 99.95. So far today, a slightly higher open and an expansion higher, though not as high as yesterday. But perhaps more importantly, we've seen a move down to challenge the February high and the supports extend down to the 95.85 area. So far, seemingly with limited success, as we're back up and away from those lows, but not as yet over the optimized uptrend. LME 3-month aluminium. A complex, reactionary, bearish action yesterday. It was at the same time a key reversal down, if only just, a bearish engulfing pattern, and finally a bearish open and close black Mariposa. Quite a mouthful, really. The market opened at the previous session's high and then just travelled on downwards. The high is a significant piece of resistance. As I had previously highlighted, it consists of the April 2018 high at 27.18, the slowly rising medium moving average, currently 27.11, and perhaps most importantly of all, the combination of the mid-February to early November uptrend, which is also a possible bump and run reversal top trend line. That's currently at 27.03. The market's move lower may have left us with a small pipe top. We'll probably know for sure over the next day or so, and prices punched down through and closed below the August 2011 high at 26.66. Below, we now have the 50% Fibonacci line for 2021 at 25.86, with other congestion at 25.77 and 25.43 before coming to the old broken upper trend line, currently 25.33 of the May to August ascending triangle. This is the last support before the market hits the rising long moving average, currently 25.15. Now, going back to the bump and run reversal top pattern for a moment, the broken uptrend would be ideal as the trend line for such a bump and run reversal top pattern. Now, for such a pattern here, I know it is early on, but I feel obliged after recent weeks' actions to give some ideas on the downside for this pattern. So, an initial target X for such a pattern would be in the 23.53 area. There will of course be obstacles on the way down, most notably the previously highlighted rising long moving average, currently at 25.12, but I can only say what I see here, and this is the one I can see here right now. So far today, a slightly higher opening and a test up towards the overhead August 2011 high at 26.66. This action does not look like a pullback higher or reactionary move up, but more like an ammunition gathering exercise right now for a possible further attempt lower, perhaps soon. Thank you for listening. The short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.